Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to merge your C drive and D drive together. So you have two drives, you need to merge this D drive to your C drive. In order to do that, you need to do these steps. First, search for partitions, and you will get this match, which is create and format hard disk partitions. Click on that. A new window will open and you will see these options where you will see your drives here, and here you need to format this D drive in order to merge this two. What you want to do is right click on this drive and click on delete volume, and after that you'd want to click on this extend volume, and you will see this drive on the option, and that's how you merge C and D drive in Windows. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.